Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download AFK Arena on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in AFK Arena. Once you find the app in the search result, tap on it to open up the info page. AFK Arena is a popular mobile role-playing game developed by Lilith Games. Once you have this interface, tap the Get button to start downloading the app. Log in with your Apple ID credentials or with your Face ID or Touch ID, and you will then begin the application download process. Once the application is downloaded, tap the Open button to open the AFK Arena on your mobile device. So that is how you easily download and install AFK Arena on your iOS device. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.